Hey there, Andrew here from Ventura Music School, and here's a video lesson on The Fool on the Hill, classic Beatles song. So if you listen to the recording of this, you'll notice there's lots of instrumentation. This is a solo acoustic guitar version, but I think it's pretty good. So we have some unusual chords here. We're going to start out with a D6. And a D6, I'm going to put my middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and ring finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And for this song, I am doing all down strums. So that's our D6. We also have what I'm going to call an E minor / D. And what I'm going to do for that chord, I'm going to move up, going to bring my middle finger here up to the 4th fret. And then I'm going to make what is kind of like a D minor form here. The pinky will go on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and the index finger, the 1st string, 3rd fret. So you'll hear that's kind of one of the chord melodies of this song. The song starts out with just the D6. And then into the verse. Day after day, alone on a hill. Back and forth between those two chords. A man with a foolish grin is keeping perfectly still. You can see 4 strums per chord. Then on the next line we're going to go to an E minor 7. Just one finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 2 strums. Nobody wants to A7, know him. Back to the D6. I could see he's just a B minor 7 bar chord. Fool, E minor 7. He never gives an A7 answer. And then into the chorus. And we have an interesting thing in the chorus. We're going to make a D minor, but it's important. Ordinarily, we might make a D minor like this, but for this, we want to use 1st finger, pinky, and the middle finger, and you'll see why in a second. We're going to do that one time, and then with this ring finger, we're going to put that on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Very dissonant chord. We're going to call that D minor augmented. And so it's going to do Fool on the hill. 1 strum for each of those. D minor augmented, D minor, and then the D minor goes a couple times and then back to D minor augmented again. So that first line of the chorus sounds like this. But the fool on the hill sees the sun going down. C7. The eyes his head see the D minor world spinning. D minor 7, which is barring the first 2 strings of the 1st fret and the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Round. And then we have another verse with the same chords. Well on his way, his head in a cloud. Man of 1,000 voices talking perfectly loud. E minor 7. Nobody ever A7 hears him. D6 sound appears to B minor 7. E minor 7. He never seems to A7 notice. And the chorus again. Fool on the hill sees the sun going down, and the eyes C7 yes, and see the D minor world spinning, D minor 7. That's pretty much the whole song. There is another section where he's doing the oh, and it's just the D6, and then it goes on oh, and then it's the E minor / D. And then it goes into those same 2 chords. Other than that, it is just those parts repeating. Just such cool chords. Very hard song to sing. I find there's something between the chords and the vocal melody that has just a kind of an unusual balance. I find it hard to find that key exactly, but it's probably because I only play it very infrequently. Have fun. See you soon.